I partner with SMP for CSO screen cleaning systems. So we at Spray Nozzle People are specialist supplier of spray nozzles and tank cleaning heads. We don't get involved in the supply of whole CSO chambers or even the supply of the screens themselves. That's not our business. We make our living advising companies on all types of nozzle and tank cleaner selection. We help with the design of cleaning systems for a wide range of industries, from food processing to pharmaceutical to chemical and petrochemical. This can be the cleaning of tanks, gas scrubbers, mist eliminators, conveyors and other surfaces. The screens used in the water industry are varied in design and size. The sites are located at are also varied with different resources available. In short, a screen cleaning requires a nuanced approach. One size fits all solution is unlikely to work well. This is where our expertise comes in. We've helped design cleaning systems for almost any conceivable situation, from very small targeted parts of a process line to the cleaning of vast vessels. In the water industry, our StormBlaster storm tank cleaning system is widely regarded as the most effective way to clean stormwater attenuation tanks, and we've got a decade or so of experience providing that system. We bring this vast wealth of experience to bear on the cleaning of screens in the water industry as well. Our ScreenBlaster system is an excellent choice for many screens, but we have many other tools at our disposal if necessary. So if you want to talk to us about your screen cleaning challenges, and we'll help come up with an innovative, cost-effective, automated system for you.